Hey bartenders, we are going to learn most entertaining flair, that is fire flair. This flair is used for entertaining the guests, but we need to very careful and alert while performing with fire. Now I will show you how to prepare bottle for the fire flair. Now I am going to show how to roll the tissue. First we need to take around 10 tissues and set it plain and make sure closed area should be front side, like this part should be front side and open area your side, and roll tissue tightly. And after that we need to roll one more tissue. Same way, and check and insert the tissue into the bottle like this and insert it. And check either it is tight or loose. Make sure the tissue will be tight for bottle. Like this. We need to arrange same to another bottle. And roll same way. when you are rolling, make sure tissue roll should be tight, very tight. Again roll one more tissue. And insert into bottle. Like this. And then after done your tissue roll, practice without fire. Practice without fire. Like this. Now I am going to show how to practice fire sequence. First, hold the bottle body, straight grip, swipe through, left to left, swipe through, right to right, swipe through, half flip and hold body and back pass and exchange and again half flip, shadow pass, same hand, half flip and same hand back pass and same hand back to front. Rotate your hand around the head like this and exchange and below the bottle right hand and around the neck and catch, half flip and stall. Stall after 3 times, flip and stall. 1, 2 and 3. End. For this sequence, first we need to learn basic 20 moves. After that, once you complete that moves, basic moves, that add into sequence. Practice the sequence 1 hour for 7 days. After that, practice with fire. In fire flyer, mostly we need to grab body of the bottle like this. Whatever move we are doing, we grabbing only body. Maximum we need to grab only body. Once you done this sequence, practice these moves without fire 10 to 15 days. After that, practice with fire and entertain the guests.